welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my first update for the Panner's Pan. This is a project that was created by Liz on Instagram, aka Kooky Pans or Kooks. However she has it, I can't remember. I think she has it as Kooky Pans and her name is Kooks. But this is an amazing project. This is all about panners in the panning community, which I love. It's paying homage to all of our favorite panners, and it is rolling style. It's kind of an indefinite. You can do it as long or as short as you like. As you finish one product for a panner that you love, you can roll in a new one for a new panner. I just love this whole idea because I think, one, it helps us really appreciate all of the panners out there. Two, it also helps us, if we're watching other panners doing this project, it helps us discover new panners that we might not have otherwise discovered. I've already discovered quite a few from watching other people's intros or seeing them on Instagram. I love it. I love the whole premise of this. So, that being said, let's get into this. Like I said, this is the first update. I do not have any empties. I did not expect to have any empties. I really never expect to have any empties on a first update for a long-term project, especially since I put a lot of hard stuff in here. But that's okay. That's okay. I do have a little bit of progress here and there. Some things it's not noticeable progress, but you know, it's the first month, so I'm okay with it. The first one is for Amanda, or Amanda D here on YouTube. She is Makeup Junkie 80 on Instagram. I put in this Max Azria BCBG perfume that she got for me because she is a perfume addict and this is one of her favorites. It was brand new when I started, and hopefully you can see that pink line right there. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's very lovely. It's like fruity and warm, like with vanilla. I don't know how to describe it. I'd have to look and see what the notes are, but it really is quite lovely. All right, moving on to Paula from Up Beauty Guru Made Me Do It. Is anyone surprised that I picked Bath & Body Works? No. And the funny thing about this is she picked this product for me. She just picked the body spray where I picked the shower gel, the exact same scent. It is so funny because Paula and I are so much more alike than we are different. It's kind of comical. But we are in the same decade, so to speak, so I guess that makes a little bit of sense. We're kind of old school, I think. But I kind of like that. I like that about her. And funny enough, my mom's name was Paula, so I've always had like this kind of odd bond with Paula just because she's so much like me and she has my mom's name, so I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, let's get on with it. So I didn't use a ton, but I was just above this pink line and now I am just below it. I technically could mark another line under that, but there's not enough progress there to really do that. I think I will have a lot more progress next month because right now I'm working on 3 shower gels. By the end of this month, I will only have 2 shower gels left in projects, so that will get a lot more usage to it. Okay, moving on to Liz, aka Kooky Pans, the creator of this project. I chose this Bare Minerals Blue Moon eyeshadow. I have not had a chance to use this, and I will be using this very, very soon. And I have a look coming up on Thursday, which will be tomorrow when you're watching this, because I filmed this the night before. And yeah, so I will be using that. All right, moving on to Dana, Eyeshadow Junkie at Heart on Instagram. She's only on Instagram, much like Liz. She is an Urban Decay girl. She always does these really awesome eye looks. So even though it's technically a lip product, I use it on my eyes. It's the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects and Regulate. Can you see the little window in there? I don't know if it's going to show up. It's not down to there. It just kind of created this odd window. But there's a lot of product up here and a lot of product down here. But I have actually been using this on my lids quite a bit. And I can see a little tiny bit of a window in there. And that kind of excites me a little bit. It's going to take me forever and a day to finish it. But just actually seeing some progress makes me feel very happy. All right, moving on to Brandy. Brandy's product I have not used yet. This is Bath & Body Works White Tea and Ginger Body Lotion. Brandy has this thing with Bath and Body Works, first and foremost. Lotions especially, and lipsticks, but we're not going to go into the lipsticks. But she has this thing for Bath and Body Works lotions. And so I always think of her when I see Bath and Body Works lotion. I am working on 3 different Bath and Body Works lotions. One will be done at the end of this month, so this will get more progress for next month. So we're going to get on to that one. All right, moving on to Alex or Alejandra Lisette lip liner. I have only used this a few times. I have not even sharpened it yet, but that is for her. Is anyone surprised that I'm going to say I am working on other lip liners? One is going to be done by the end of this month, and then I will have more progress on this by the next update. It just seems like, do you ever have those times where it seems like nothing gets done, and then like a month or 2 later, everything starts to get done? That's the way I feel with this. I don't know why it's happening that way. It is though. All right, moving on to my palette for Nona. She is My So-Called Life. I don't remember if it's 1977 or 77. I can never remember for some reason, but she's my girl. And she is on Instagram and YouTube. Most everyone is except for Liz and Dana. They're just on Instagram. The Honey palette from Colourpop. I am working on Palooza. I have only used this once since the intro. I love this, but I noticed that my glitter's starting to get dry in here. This is one that I have not tried to revive because it's in a palette. I don't know what I should do to revive it. If anyone else has Colourpop glitters like that in a palette, like the glitter palette or something, if you've tried to revive yours, let me know what you did, if it worked. And I want to do that because I'm noticing that it is crumbling more and it's not sticking as well. So I would like to make it happy. And even if I have to take it out of that palette and put it in a different pan to revive it or in like a little container, I will do that. But I don't want to lose the glitter. I want to actually be able to wear it, but it's so dry and crumbly right now. All right, moving on to Amber F, the queen, the Pan That Palette creator, the palette panning queen, if I could speak. I chose is anyone surprised? An eyeshadow from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. Has she panned like every Naked palette out there? I think I used this once, maybe twice. Just so much eyeshadow right now. So much. And I will have eyeshadows done by the end of this month, but I don't know if that's going to make or break me for progress on that particular one. The next one is the one that I probably used the most besides the perfume. This is for Claire or Claire Elizabeth. If anyone has been watching either of us for any length of time, you may have seen, I want to say it was in 2017, we did a collaboration together called Across the Pond, where we basically did, we panned products that were the same color, same type or whatever, but it was, her stuff was made in the UK, my stuff was made in the US, and I had an eyeshadow that I was just trying to hit pan on. This is a Coastal Scents light pink, I believe. This was from that project, and I hit pan on it, and I really haven't touched it much since then, but I've definitely expanded the pan. Hopefully you guys can see that. I love this on my inner corners, and that is the only way I have used it since I brought it into this project. And when I'm done an eyeshadow at the end of this month, or by the end of this month, I will start using that on my lids as well. Gosh, I feel like a broken record today. All right, and last but certainly not least, Rebeca, who is panning and stuff here on YouTube as well as Instagram. Words, Jess. I have a potted lipstick because I want to say it was maybe 2 years ago she did a lipstick palette that she panned, and I was just so impressed with her that seeing a potted lipstick really reminded me of her. I've only used this a couple times, nothing to write home about, but it's there. It'll get more usage. Hopefully I'll have some more usage by the next update. All right, I don't know that I will have anything finished. I seriously doubt I will have anything finished by the next update, but I do already have a list of other panners that I really want to get into this project. There's so many amazing painters out there right now, but I can't do more than 10 at a time just because, one, that's the parameters of this project, the way it was set up, and two, I just got so many projects going on. But there are like dozens, literally dozens of painters out there that I have you guys waiting in the wings. Some of you already know who you are, but yeah, I got a nice little list here, and I will be picking some products for you, hopefully in the near future. So, well, I don't think it's going to be next month. Hopefully, by the end of the year, I'll have at least another new one rolled in. That is my hopes. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Tons of people are doing this project. It is open to anyone that wants to join in. Like I said, it is ongoing, rolling. Just pick your 10 favorite painters or 10 painters that you just like a whole lot. Pick a product for them, start painting it, and like I said, as you finish something up, you are more than welcome to roll in a new painter and a new project for them and just keep going. And maybe we can all really just appreciate this wonderful community even more and discover new painters, because I like that. I love discovering new people. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.